my friends, welcome back. Here I am in the 2015 Lexus IS250, the Oldy Goody IS250. So first off, when you get into this IS250, it's very familiar. If you are a Lexus fan, you'll find the interior outlay is very similar to the other model years, about the same years. So you have the windows control over here, mirror control, door lock control, and this is a F Sport trim, so it's come with the paddle shift on the steering wheel, and sportier look steering wheel as well. And come to the gate cluster, is electronic gate cluster. It's not analog one, it's all digital, so it's showing RPM gauge, speedometer, temperature gauge, and on the right here is a fuel gauge and other odometer information. And this one has a 2.5 liter V6 engine. It's a small V6 engine and rear wheel drive. So it's it's good all around car for daily, and it's it's like entry level for premium car. And this one is premium F Sport packet, so it comes with the blind spot, warning system, navigation, AM, XM, AM, FM, and XM radio. So it's just adding some of those features, just make it look more premium. Alright, let's gonna do a quick look at this one. So of course it has the backup camera. The resolution is decent, so it's good enough to see surrounding, like in the back there. And then down here you see the AC van with the analog clock on it. It's very familiar with other Lexus, pretty common if you're a Lexus fan. And over here we have the decent, very compact glove box. Then below this AC van you see the AC control panel, and down below it you see the audio control panel as well. And this one comes with the seat heater and vented seat. So seat heater keep you cool in winter time on a cold day. Seat ventilation keep you cool, on a hot day. And over here we have the A-way. It's like kind of like a mouse, so that you can control the screen up there, the infotainment screen. It's very hard, where you to rest your palm in front of it. And then down here you see the control button for the eco or sport mode driving, or you push down for normal driving. Then below that you see the traction control and snow driving sport. Now, and on the steering wheel you see paddle shift, audio control over here, phone connection, phone control, and over here you have the information control menu over here. say when you hitting menu, the gate will move and then so in the screen. That's pretty cool, huh? That's a pretty neat feature. And then you can play with the four-way arrow over here, and it'll control the menu on the screen there. Oh, pretty cool there. Then this one comes with a sunroof, so premium sunroof, and you can look out the beautiful sky right now. It's daytime. Alright, let's show you the exterior of this Oldy Goody. (2015) Lexus IS250 F Sport. First of all, the rear seat is look pretty small. It looks small, but thanks to the cutout in the back seat here, so it adding a little more space for the rear passenger. And this also comes with the rear AC vent, keep rear passenger cool also. Got an 18-inch wheel. Got F Sport right here. And of course it has a decent amount of space in the trunk here for, you know, putting cargo or luggage in the back here. IS250. Alright, let's show you under the hood. Okay, under the hood here you'll see a 2.5 liter V6 engine. This cover with the plastic cover. So I mean, it's not as bad because there's some model that they have like everything covered in plastic. So this one just a cover, engine cover. This look pretty clean down here. I mean, I like the front end. It look pretty beefy and sporty. F Sport. Alright, welcome back to the driver's seat. We're gonna continue on a journey to experience this oldie goodie. Acceleration is smooth. You know, the power is you know, it has a smaller V6, so the power is like actually built up just get to higher RPM, but the power band is very even now throughout all the RPM, and shifting is smooth. Paddle shift is like response pretty good. So it's shifting in the sport mode. It's shifting, actually it's shifting decent fast. It doesn't have much delay in it, so it's make the driving experience like more enjoy you can drive it in the back row, drive it a little more entertaining, you know. Let's make it more fun. Cool. It was a good experience with this Oldy Goody Lexus IS250. So thank you for coming with me. Thank you for checking this out. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time.